We can't sit here forever, can we, brother? We're just gonna have to rock and roll a little bit down the road.
Good morning, officer.
How you doing?
I'm alright, just trying to make...
DOT guy here.
Okay, I guess you don't like the tire.
No? Didn't like it for a while.
I was just trying to get to the tire shop up there. You know, they don't do...
How many of you mother truckers have ever been stranded and it's because of a trailer tire popping and, you know, you have enough tires to get to the repair shop, but you just don't want to risk it. You call and service can't get out to you. Nobody could get out to you. And so what do? Do you go? Do you not? And the reason why I ask this is we have a mother trucker. He's stuck right now in South Dakota and it's been 2 days. He doesn't know what to do. It's his trailer tire, and he's thinking about just booking it and trying to make it. But he wanted to ask us before he does it. Well, check out this video right here from bigrigdill. He's a heavy hauler. This is his video. You know, check him out on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. But, dude, all I got to say is this man right here as well waited for 2 days. And so he said, forget it. I'm chaining things up and I'm going. And later on, DOT or State Patrol sees that and boom, they bust his butt. But here's the crazy part. He explains himself and the police officer actually escorts him to a repair shop. How crazy is that?
Good morning, officer.
How you doing?
I'm alright, just trying to make...
DOT guy here.
Okay, I guess you don't like the tire.
No? Didn't like it for a while.
I was just trying to get to the tire shop up there. You know, they don't do mobiles.
See, how much you said this stuff weigh?
It's a little bit under 80. It's not super heavy.
Well, you got 3 axles down.
Well, I only put the last one down to take pressure off the one that popped. Because I've been waiting there all night.
You got your bill late?
Yeah.
Where's over there? Wait for another officer to come by so we can stop traffic to make it easier for you to get out of here.
I really appreciate that.
Hell yeah.
But in this situation, what should this truck driver do? Is he stranded? Should he just wait, call a dispatcher? I mean, you're in the middle of nowhere and you're 250 miles from any repair shop. What should you do? Mother truckers, comment down below. Let's help this man.